Welcome back. We've secured our networks and our cloud environments, but the reality is most successful cyber attacks don't start with a direct assault on a server. They start with a person, and that person is usually sitting at their computer looking at their inbox. That brings us to the two primary battlegrounds of cybersecurity: the endpoint and email. The endpoint is any device that connects to the network: laptops, servers, and mobile phones. And email is the number one delivery mechanism for threats. If you can't secure these two areas, the rest of your defenses will eventually fall. Let's look at how we defend each. For years, we relied on antivirus to protect our endpoints. Antivirus works like a bouncer with a list of known criminals. But what if the attacker is a master of disguise? That's where endpoint detection and response, or EDR, comes in. EDR is like a detective that assumes the attacker is already inside. It constantly monitors the device for suspicious behavior and gives security teams the tools to respond and kick the threat out. To defend the inbox, companies use a secure email gateway, or SEG. Think of it as a highly advanced digital mailroom. Before an email ever reaches an employee, it passes through the SEG, which scans it for malicious links, dangerous attachments, spam, and signs of a phishing attempt. It's the first and most important line of defense against the most common attack vector. For marketers, the story of EDR and SEG is a shift from simple prevention to overall resilience. You're not just selling a wall, you're selling a complete response plan. Your EDR marketing is about seeing and stopping active threats, not just known viruses. Your SEG marketing is about defending your number one risk with a multi layered filter. It's a narrative of sophisticated, in depth defense. We've now secured the devices themselves, from laptops to servers. But what about the software running on those devices? The custom applications we build and use every day are a primary target for attackers. In our next video, we'll look at how we secure the code itself through application security. See you there.